Very dear children, today we are going to learn a new chapter of mathematics, that is AP. AP is not Andhra Pradesh, it is a arithmetic progression, and followed by the next chapter is called GP, geometry progression. Before that, we should know what is sequence and series. Before 3 years, these two chapters were belonging only in the plus 2 CBSE. First year it was there, but now this is before 2 years, this progression chapter has introduced in arithmetic part in our mathematics. So let us learn what is sequence first. Sequence means a set of numbers in which the succeeding number, that means next number, the succeeding number is a same after addition of the preceding number, just like when you add a preceding number to the same quantity, what value you get, so maybe that one we can say. So it is obtained like that. That is called as a sequence. Let me repeat once again. Sequence means a set of numbers in which the succeeding number is the same multiple, or it is obtained when the preceding number is added with the same quantity, then the all set of numbers obtained is called sequence. So but this sequence, when it is separated with a plus or minus sign, then it forms series. So this series is of three types. One is the arithmetic progression AP, number 2 geometric progression GP, and number 3 is the HP called harmonic progression. If we start with the AP, in AP it states the definition that a set of numbers in which the succeeding number is obtained by addition of same quantity or subtraction of the same quantity from the preceding number, except the first term or the first number, is known as arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, the general form is A is the first term, call it A, comma A plus D is the second term, A plus D, D means common difference, मतलब A यदि 2 है, A plus D, suppose 2 plus 3 मैंने किया 5, तीसरा नंबर रहेगा 5 plus 3 8, then next one is 8 plus 3 11, the next one is 11 plus 3 14, then next number is 14 plus 3 17. That is means the succeeding number is obtained by adding the same quantity with the preceding number. It's called as a arithmetic progression. It is not always true कि addition, it may be subtraction also. Say for example, first term is 3, then subtract 2 from here. 3 minus 2 1, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, then minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 रहेगा. तो ये terms ऐसे भी हो सकता है. It's not always by addition, it can be also by subtraction. So that subtracted quantity is known as, or the addition quantity is known as the common difference here. Let me show you how the concept goes. Along with that, exercise 10A is your task. Not all the numbers, 10 sums of exercise 10A is your task today. Here is the definition of AP. Here is the definition of AP, that was a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to its preceding term, except the first term is called arithmetic progression AP. देखिए आप लोग एग्जाम्पल जो दिया गया है 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 is succeeding term is obtained by addition of 2. देखिए 3, 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. This is called example of arithmetic progression. दूसरा एग्जाम्पल दिया गया नीचे 5, 2, 5 से 3 माइनस किया गया, 2 से 3 माइनस करने से minus 1 से 3 माइनस करने से -4. This goes on. That another example of AP. So this the general term of the AP is A1, A2, A3, AN. मतलब first term, second term, third term ऐसे करते करते nth term तक जा रहा है. It is a sequence, but when it is represented with the plus or minus sign is called series of two types, AP, GP and HP. AP के हिसाब से देखो फर्स्ट टर्म A1 is called A only, so A plus 0 is 0 को हम लोग ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 1 minus 1 into D. तो जब A2 आया तो 2 minus 1 into D is called A plus D. So according to this, AN is equal to A plus and minus 1 into D. The general formula goes like this: a plus 3, a plus 2d, दैट इज, तो ए मीन्स बच्चों फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकेंड टर्म मीन्स ए प्लस डी, थर्ड टर्म मीन्स ए प्लस टू डी, दिस इज द सो ऑन, a plus n minus 1 into d. So here a is the first term, d is common difference. Remember, d is common difference. d is obtained by second term minus first term when you do, that is t2 minus t1. Last term जो कि tn इज इक्वल टू, लास्ट टर्म को हम लोग tn और an में दिखा सकते हैं, a प्लस n माइनस वन ऑफ d. d मीन्स कॉमन डिफरेंस, सेकेंड टर्म माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म, t2 माइनस t1. sn मीन्स सम ऑफ n टर्म्स, n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a मीन्स a plus a ना बच्चों, तो हम लोग सिर्फ एक ही a को रखो, बाकी का a को ऐसे लिख दो, a plus n minus 1 into d. a plus n minus 1 into d मीन्स tn. दैट लास्ट टर्म l, बुक में l लिखा गया है, सो sn इक्वल टू n by 2 of a plus लास्ट टर्म l, और tn भी लिख सकते हैं हम लोग. सो दिस आर द फॉर्मूलाज वी हैव, and some more notes are there, like 4 to 5 notes. That one also I will make you understand in for the third exercise. Third exercise में वो use होगा, बताऊंगा वो सब चीज़. Let us go for exercise now. Here is the exercise 10a. One number. Which of the following sequences are in arithmetic progression? कौन सा arithmetic progression में है, आप लोग को आइडेंटिफाई करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल लिया गया है 2, 6, 10, 14. रोमन बीट 4 में सॉल्व किया हूँ, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4 एंड 1/5. देखते हैं उसके लिए सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे. 3 नंबर भी देख दीजिए क्वेश्चन उसका. इफ द pth टर्म इज ऑफ द एपी इज 2p plus 3, फाइंड द एपी. लेट मी शो यू 1 and 3 नंबर फर्स्ट आंसर्स. हियर वी हैव गॉट द आंसर 2, 6, 10 एंड 14. देखिए आप लोग फर्स्ट वाला पार्ट में 2, 6 and d1 means common difference of that is 6 minus 2, second term minus first term 4 आया. d2 सेकेंड डिफरेंस कितना है 10 minus 6, मतलब थर्ड टर्म माइनस सेकेंड टर्म 10 minus 6 4 आया, सही आया. d3 14 minus 10 is 4. यदि ऐसे है हर जगह, मतलब नेक्स्ट कॉन्जिक्यूटिव टर्म माइनस प्रीवियस वन, if it is giving the common difference same, then it is an epi. If it is not, then it is the not an epi. जैसे रोमन बीट 4, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5. Difference 1 is 1/3 minus 1/2 is 2 minus 3/6 minus 1/6. d2 1/4 minus 1/3 is how much? LCM निकालो 12, 3 minus 4 minus 1/12. Are they equal? No, that's why it is not an epi. जैसे मैं 3 नंबर आप लोगों को दिखा रहा था, pth टर्म 2p plus 3 दिया गया था, तो इसमें फर्स्ट टर्म p जगह में 1 डालना है. 2 into 1 plus 3 5 आया. सेकेंड टर्म में क्या आएगा 2 into 2 plus 3 4 plus 3 7. ऐसे करते करते जैसे 5 के बाद 7 आया, 2 डिफरेंस रहा, 7 के बाद 9 आएगा, 9 के बाद 11 आएगा. दिस इज एपी. क्वेश्चन पूछा था फाइंड द एपी, आ गया 5, 7, 9 and 11. देखो 5 नंबर देखिए बच्चों, 5 and 7. 5 नंबर, फाइंड द 30th टर्म ऑफ द सीक्वेंस 1/2, 1, 3/2. 30th टर्म, द फर्स्ट टर्म इज 1/2, सेकेंड टर्म इज 1, थर्ड टर्म इज 3/2. तो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर इन द फर्स्ट, फाइंड द 30th टर्म ऑफ द सीक्वेंस. दिखाता हूँ. 7 नंबर भी दे दीजिए, फाइंड द 50th टर्म ऑफ द सीक्वेंस. 50th टर्म निकालना है हम लोगों को. यहाँ पर आप 5 and 7 नंबर टुगेदर, बट आई विल बी राइटिंग द 7 नंबर, आई विल शो यू दैट वन. 5 नंबर आप लोग देख दीजिए यहाँ से. a इक्वल टू 1/2 रहा फर्स्ट टर्म, एंड d इक्वल हाउ मच, सेकेंड टर्म माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म, 1 minus 1/2 is 1/2 only. 30th term means t30. I said you nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 30th term is equal to 1/2 the first term plus 30 minus 1 into 1/2. So 29/2 आया. 2 LCM निकला, 1 plus 29/2 आ गया, 30/2 is 15. So this is the answer. 15 is the answer for the 5 number. This is 30th term. Here is the 7 number. First term is 1/n, second term is n plus 1/n, 2n plus 1/n, so on. For the first term here 1/n, second term the d common difference is second term minus first term, n plus 1/n minus 1/n, n and n का LCM n ही निकला, तो न्यूमरेटर माइनस डिनोमिनेटर, दैट इज सॉरी न्यूमरेटर माइनस अनदर न्यूमरेटर, n plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 कैंसिल, n by n equal 1 आया. 50th term is equal to a plus 50 minus 1 into d, that is nth term equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. इसमें डालना है, तो a is equal आवर 1/n है, 1/n डालो, 50 minus 1 into d, 50 minus 1 is 49, 49 into 1 49. तो एल्सियम क्या निकले 1 + 49 × n by n is the answer. This is the 50th term. Thank you children. Please update till 10 numbers is a work of your